guess it's casino tonight, guys. Sorry about my dirty ass window. This place here, guys, in Iowa, Diamond Joe's, has a rest area where you can park and go stay at the hotel or go to the casino. Pretty sick. We're hungry, so we're gonna go get some food right now. Out to the bathroom before we go in. There's a W9. So dirty, guys. So dirty. Oh my. Keep it PG, man. Look at these electric vehicles. They get VIP. What? I guess this guy's gonna play this one right here. Look at this bar, guys. This thing is sick. Look at all those screens up there. I'm starving, so we're gonna go in and try and find some food to eat. I'm craving a burger, but I don't know what this guy is trying to get. He's the lucky guy. He's always hitting the jackpots, huh? Yeah. This is where we're gonna eat, guys. This place is nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, I had a booth. I want a burger. They've got cheeseburger, mushroom, knife, and fork burger, barbecue bacon cheeseburger. What are you saying about McDonald's now?
One of those.
Can I get a cheeseburger, please?
Oh, okay, I got a cheeseburger. 10 nuggets up.
Let me get a Big Mac.
Big Mac coming out.
Is that fresh? Is that a fresh Big Mac?
Fresh out the fucking sweat, bro. In your bathroom?
Restroom?
Thank
See
you.
that second exit sign? It's gonna be down the hall to the left.
Okay.
Alright, do you guys need any ketchup or mustard or anything?
Ketchup, please.
Ketchup?
Yeah, thanks. And this boy got a buffalo chicken sandwich.
I need to go weird.
You okay?
Huh?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
How's the food?
Fucking bomb. Fuck you.
Alright guys, I'm gonna take a bite. Cheers.
There you go. And the fries are really good too. They're delicious. Okay, cut.
Well guys, we are out of that damn casino.
That casino no good. No payout.
Everyone around us, literally around us, like literally right next to me, to my right, to my left, in front of me, behind me. $2,000 here, $3,000 there, $5,000 there. Swapping around, nothing. Oh well, another time, right, man?
Yeah, next time.
Another time. But we had fun, so that's what counts. we had fun. There's a K-Dub sitting nice and large. Let's go see how Rolly is doing. Nah, he went to the bathroom already. Oh, it's cold. Come and go. Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
Rolling.
All right, guys. So we have no juice in the truck anymore. Look at that. Completely dead. But luckily, I have this jumper here that supposedly starts the semis. So let's give this thing a shot for our first time. All right, guys. So I connected the jumper. Let's see if the truck starts. Let's see if it actually works. Going on here? It almost started.
We're here outside here in Iowa, guys. We're looking trying to jump the main battery. You know, not regular battery, not dry battery. All in all.
Let's see. Come on. What's going on? All right, so the gauge on this truck, it was all the way down in the red, and this thing actually brings it up past 12 volts. So it almost cranked over, but it said that it was getting a little hot, so I'm gonna plug it in again and try it. Here, hold it. See if it works. We only got two lines, guys. Look at this. Show them right here. We only got 2 lines left of life. See the camera? All right, guys. Look at my gauge. It's literally way down here. Okay, connect it. Let me know when it's green.
Dale.
Okay, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. It's going up, it's going up. Let's go. Ah, close. Shit. That was close.
Con dinero. Una de esas le metes el pinche de esas.
Shut up.
Las matas, güey, con 2 dedos, ya con 2 dedos las matas.
Well, guys, we are waiting to let the batteries charge up because that little jumper did not do the job. It was like at 2 bars or 3 bars and it wasn't enough juice. So yeah, now we wait. Thankfully this guy over here came to help us out. He's giving us a jump. My dumbass forgot my jumper cables at home.
God deserves hot cocoa.
Yep, the truck finally started, guys. Yes. Oh, thank God.
Suck balls.
Yes, we got it started. Well, finally have the truck on. Got the jumper cables off. This owner operator actually helped us out, and he was the only one that was up I didn't go knocking on each semi because I didn't want to. I didn't want to wake anyone up. And this guy just happened to come out of the casino, was walking to his truck, and caught him at the perfect time. I asked him if he could, give us a jump. He did. Oh man, I'm so thankful for that guy. But look at us with jackets. Look at this guy. And then look at Rolly. I had to put a blanket on him because he was shivering. Oh man, but the reason why my batteries died were because I left the heater on and they drained right away. I didn't think they were going to drain as fast. I literally was going to give it just an hour and they drained completely. So not doing that again. And once I get home, I'm going to make sure I put them jumper cables back into my truck, because I could have solved this really easy with just my reefer, plugging the jumper cables onto my reefer to my semi, and I would have gotten it started like nothing. But yeah, guys, that's how our night is going after the casino and dinner. So yeah, vacuuming the truck a little bit. So it is very dirty. Excuse me, Rolly. Get out of the way. You're in my way, bud. Get the back already. Looks somewhat clean. Gotta organize back here. Cleaned up the truck a little bit, vacuumed the floors. Got that other idiot up there in the front. And now I'll turn on some TV. We're gonna watch some TV. Look what my daughter be watching. Coco Melon. Egg surprise. Let's see, what are we gonna watch? You wanna watch Blood and Blow Out? That boy going upstairs to his room. Don't fall there, little boy. I tilted the TV up so this guy can watch it too from up there. Let's turn off the light. Look at that. Oh. What?
I know you got them somewhere hiding in that bag.
I don't have munchies. Can I help you, Rolly? Stop shedding so much, Rolly.
For real, nigga.
Fudge. Quit shedding so much. Well, you need to stop. Hey, quit it. Hi, Rolly. Hi, Bubba's. Hi, Rolly. Hi.
That also.
You're so cute. Rolly.
If you're living with severe alopecia areata, the latest FDA-approved treatment is here.
Finish that, wire that up. We were over here working on our AirDog wiring, so it's again, I think I mentioned it in this video, it's the last 10-20% of some of the miscellaneous wiring, stuff like that. But once we get the transmission cooler mounted, we'll be able to put the bed back on, so that will look more complete, and we'll be able to mount our taillights up. Front clip is back on, fenders on, intercooler. We got our fans wired up. The fans are completely done. You can see we've started to kind of put some miscellaneous parts and pieces back on here. It's a little dark, but we are getting there. It's just down to the details, I'm telling you. We've got our new bumper over here. We've got to clean up a Laramie support, get that